Mr. Speaker, let me take this opportunity to express our regrets and my regrets on the brutal murder of 2 young women in recent times. It is unfortunate when these incidents happen in our country, and these 2 women go by the name of Alana Bernard and Jolie Williams.
Some of the milestones achieved in tackling gender inequality and creating safer spaces for women and girls in Saint Lucia include the landmark Domestic Violence Act 2022, the establishment of the Women's Parliamentary Caucus, and the formation of the National Interagency Task Force on Gender-Based Violence 2024. Additionally, for the first time in Saint Lucia's history, over 50% of Senate seats are held by women, marking a significant achievement in political representation. Despite these gains, Gender Affairs Minister Dr. Virginia Albert Poyotte, in her address at the inaugural sitting of the House of Assembly for 2025, highlighted notable challenges. Among these, women are highly represented in low-paying care sectors, while men dominate technical fields.
The gender gap in St. Lucia is estimated at 22%, with women earning less than men across various sectors because of the type of work mostly associated to women and those associated with men. Gender-based violence, COVID-19 pandemic, exacerbated gender-based violence with an alarming increase in intimate partner violence and women's death due to murder. Unpaid care work. Women bear the brunt of unpaid care and domestic work, which limits the participation in the formal economy. The pandemic highlighted the need for policies to recognize, reduce, and redistribute this burden on women.
Dr. Poyotte encouraged all residents to participate in the International Women's Day celebrations and the 30th anniversary of the Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action in 2025. She called for initiatives aimed at empowering women and girls, including encouraging more women to assume leadership roles in politics, business, and community organizations.
To achieve these priorities, we must strengthen partnerships, collaborate with civil society, development partners, and the private sector to implement gender-responsive policies and programs. Invest in data and research, improve the collection and use of gender disaggregated data to inform decision-making and monitor progress. Enhance accountability for gender equality. Establish clear indicators and reporting mechanisms to track progress on gender equality goals. Promote inclusive leadership. Encourage more women to take on leadership roles in politics, business, and community organizations.
The minister stressed that gender parity is not merely a women's issue but a societal responsibility. She emphasized its crucial role in the country's development.
The 30th anniversary of the Beijing Platform for Action is not just a time for reflection, but also a call for action. Gender equality is not a woman's issue. It is a societal imperative that benefits everyone. As we move forward, let us commit to the principles of Beijing Platform for Action, of which we continue to be a party, and work together to create a Saint Lucia where every man, woman, girl, and boy can live free from violence, discrimination, and inequality. I call on all women, young and old, men and young boys to join in the celebrations to promote all women and girls as they strive to achieve their rights, equality, and empowerment, to advance development in our nation.
Minister Poyotte also highlighted significant actions established, including the Inter-American Convention on the Prevention of Violence Against Women, the Domestic Violence Summary Proceedings Act of 2000, the Equality and Treatment Act of 2001, and the formal opening of the Women's Support Shelter. The minister noted that much more needs to be done to achieve true equality and empower all women and girls in Saint Lucia. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.